Today I'm going to show you how to make my all-natural bug repellent spray for my Jersey cow. It's very easy. You probably have all of the ingredients right at your home. And so we're going to jump right in. First ingredient is my homemade apple cider vinegar. And if you don't make your own, then you'll want to use apple cider vinegar that has the mother in it. And for reasons for the spray bottle, I don't want my sprayer to get clogged, so I'm not going to shake up the mother right now. I'm just going to use the top here. So, apple cider vinegar. And then I'm going to use water. And you can get this whole recipe on a card to print out. And this is the fractionated coconut oil. I like to use fractionated coconut oil in my recipe because sometimes if you make a recipe for a spray and you put it spray it on the cow, it's going to, when the water dries, it's just going to flash off. But the fractionated coconut oil is actually going to help it to stay on the cow for longer. And then I'm going to use my repellent blend here. I like to use essential oils for things because they're natural. I don't have to worry about them with my animals. And then I'm going to just go ahead and fill the rest of the way up with water, leaving a little bit of room for my sprayer. Okay. And then I'm going to shake it very well. And it's important to shake it before you spray it every time to just make sure the essential oils, the fractionated oil, the vinegar, the water, everything's mixed up. And so that is all there is to it, y'all. You take this, you spray it on your cow before you milk, after you milk, whatever time is best for you, and you have your all-natural bug repellent spray. Now, once again, if you want this recipe in a printable form, go ahead and click on that link in my description below.